It's Miley from the Corvallis Environmental Center, and I am here today to bring you some ideas on how you can plant your kitchen. One of the most fun and easy ways to get people into trying new foods and vegetables, especially children or young people, is to involve them in the growing process. And this doesn't have to be a really fancy or complicated thing. You could easily get started today with just some water and food scraps. Food scraps that plant, again, really well to grow are green onions, leeks, avocados, carrots, beets, onion, garlic, celery, ginger root, and not a food scrap, but if you have any dried beans on hand, those are also a super fun thing to plant. Today I will be showing how to plant an avocado from its pit, as well as some garlic that, as you can see here, has already grown quite the sprout with no assistance. This was just waiting to be used and decided to sprout, but we're gonna plant it today. For the avocado, all you need is your avocado pit, three actually, toothpicks, a jar or a container filled almost to the brim with water. This one is a recycled jam jar that I had around. For planting garlic, you do need some potting soil. I have here potting soil in a used tofu container, a great place to start some veggies and recycle. If you want to make these more fun, you can decorate them. If you just have water, that's totally fine. Another idea for that is starting dried beans with paper towels and your beans as seeds and a plastic baggie or a jar. I did that project a couple of weeks ago. You can see the video for creating a greenhouse in your window on our CEC Connects page. But just to give you an idea, I planted these dried pinto beans about 2 weeks ago. You could see the beans here. These two already have big leaves, and that was started with just some paper towels and some dried beans, so that's another great idea. First, for your avocado pit, you're going to wash it off, rinse it with water, and dry it. Otherwise, it'll be slippery and slimy and hard to get your toothpicks into. And you are going to have your jar full of water. You're going to take 3 of your toothpicks and create, at the base, you want to find where yours is more wide and where it is more narrow. And you're going to put your toothpicks around the wider side. That's where the roots will grow from and a stem will grow from the top. But you want to put these 3 toothpicks around so that it will stand in your jar. I'm gonna move this one over so it's more even. And you're just going to balance that on top of your jar of water, just like this. Put it in a sunny spot, and you should start to see growth between 2 and 6 weeks. For the garlic, I have here a tofu container, which I poked holes in the bottom for proper drainage. If you want to decorate this, that would be a totally fun additional idea. But all you have to do to plant your sprouted garlic, or garlic that you're hoping to sprout, is dig a deep enough hole for them to be totally covered. My sprouts are gonna still stick out because they are pretty long already. These will grow, they won't produce new garlic bulbs likely, but the greens at the top will keep sprouting, and those have a garlicky flavor and are entirely edible. If you want to show us what you're growing and show your friends, then take a picture and use the hashtag CECConnects to show us what you're growing. Enjoy!